The next thing we're going to talk about is the ride along with Dan and the Fireman. So this is going to be the back in the day what I used to do all the time, and I love doing it. It's just that I've been out of the loop when it comes to motorcycles. I got new gear. I had to get new gear. It's been about 5 years. So I got jacket, pants, boots. I got some good gloves still, and I'm going to be replacing my helmet in about a year. But I had to fix up my bike a little bit. Haven't been riding it. Terrible, I know. So we're going to be getting back into the ride along with Dan and the Fireman. This is gonna be that road strategy, the on the bike, pointing things out while I'm riding. You notice how I can talk and talk and talk. It's easy for me to grab visuals and point it out and vocalize it. So I'm gonna get back into that. These are gonna be about 5 to 15 minute videos. I'm gonna be going up and down different streets in Tucson, and then we might actually be going out of town for some things. But for now, I got a plan, a written film plan for at least 5 videos. So we're gonna be getting back into that. So we're gonna be pointing out, sides of the vehicle. We have the merging issue, so big open lane. We're gonna have a bunch of different things. So we're gonna be pointing out orange stage, yellow stage. Hopefully, I don't have to go into red stage. Hopefully, I never go into brown stage, and I'm gonna be in white. I'm not gonna be in white stage. There you go. I'm not gonna be in white stage because I'm gonna be actually pointing things out while I'm vocalizing it. I think that's a little bit safer than doing like a moto vlog where you're thinking of something else. You're thinking of a story and not writing. For me, this is like my version of a motovlog where I'm focused on pointing out the hazards. So it's not just me thinking and watching. I'm pointing them out. It's like reading your notes that you've already taken and then recording yourself talking about your notes and listening to your notes. To me, it's another way to reinforce what I'm doing. So I'm hoping I can bring that to you and point things out. So that's why it's called ride along, because you guys are gonna ride along with me. So we're gonna be doing that. Can't wait to get back into it. It's not meant to be instruction, but it's gonna be showing the plan method, which we got a whole new, not a whole new. It's a revised plan method. I developed a plan method, which let's go ahead and talk about that right now. I revised the plan method back. I first created it about a year and a half ago, 2 years ago, for the Smart Writer Basic Training ebook, and it was based off the OODA loop. So observe, orient, decide, and act.